Hello everyone, hope you are well in your health and wealth. Myself, Muhammad Huzafa Kavish, and I am your host. I'm making a video for you. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment it, share it, and support me. Thank you. Okay, today is our topic is the hidden psychology tricks companies use to control you. Okay, we discuss our topic every single day from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep. Someone is trying to control your decisions not with force, not with threats, but with psychology. Invisible techniques designed to influence what you buy, what you watch, what you think, and even how you feel. The scary part is most people never realize it's happening. Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your phones. Within second you are already being influenced. The color of apps, the notification, the sound, the endless scrolling, none of it's the random. Every detail is carefully designed to keep your attention locked in. Companies spend billions of dollars studying human behavior just to understand one thing: how to keep you addicted. The modern world is no longer just a battle of money, it is battle of attention. Your attention is one of the most valuable thing on earth because once a company control your attention, it can influence your choice. And once it influence your choice, it can make money from you. Social media platforms are masters of this game. They know exactly how the human brain reacts to rewards. Every like, comment, and notification triggers dopamine, the chemical linked to pleasure and motivations. It's the same system connected to gambling, the addiction, that small feelings of excitement when someone likes your post is not accidental, it is engineered. Have you ever noticed how difficult it is to stop scrolling? You tell yourself just one more video, but suddenly an hour has passed. This happened because of something called infinite scroll. Unlike a book or a magazine that has a clear stopping point, social media never ends. Your brain keep expecting the next interesting things. So you continue scrolling without realizing how much time you are losing. But it is not social media. Supermarkets use psychology too. Every wonder why essential items like milk and bread are usually placed at the back of the store. It is because the longer you walk through the aisles, the more product you see and you more likely you are to buy something you never planned to buy. Bright packaging, small offers, and carefully chosen music all affect your behavior without you noticing. Restaurants do the same things. Some use colors like red and orange because these colors can increase appetite. Others use soft lighting and realizing music to make you stay longer and spend more money. Even the menu design is psychological. Expensive items are often placed near regular items to make the regular one seems cheaper even if they are still overpriced. Okay, wait for a minute, I'll back. Okay, now I can change my theme. Okay, sorry. Okay, we continue. Online shopping is other psychological battle word like limited time offer, only two left, or sale ending soon create urgency, the trigger fear of missing out. Also now a FOMO, your brain becomes emotional and emotional people make faster decision. Companies now this is very well. Think about how many times you bought something because it was on sale, even though you don't actually need it. That's no not weakness. That's psychology working exactly as intended. Streaming platform as manipulate behavior. Ever notice how Netflix automatically start the next episode after a few seconds? This removes the moment where you could stop your thing instead of making an active choice to continue. You stay trapped in passive watching. One episode becomes three, three becomes an entire night. Even smartphone notifications are carefully designed. The red notification color is not random. That grabs attention quickly because the human brain naturally react to it as something urgent. Every vibrations, every sound, every pop is designed to pull you back into the app. And that brings us to other powerful tool. Data, every click, every search, every video you watch tells companies something about you. They know your interests, your habits, your fears, your desires, and even your routines. In some ways, algorithms may know you better than you know yourself. This data allow companies to predict behavior. They can recommend product you are likely to buy, videos you are likely to watch, and content that keeps you emotionally engaged. The goal is simple: keep you connect for as long as possible. Fear is other powerful psychological weapon. News headlines often use fear because fearful people pay more attention. Titles like "You are doing this wrong," "This could destroy your health," or "This dangerous truth" instantly grab curiosity and emotions. Fear keeps people clicking. Celebrities and influencers are also a part of psychological marketing. People naturally trust familiar faces. So when an influencer promotes a product, it feels more personal and believable. Companies know that humans are social creatures. We copy people we admire even without realizing it. Then there's social proof. This is one of the strongest psychological tricks in existence. When you see thousands of positive reviews or millions of views on a video, your brain automatically assumes it must be good. Humans feel safer following the crowd. Companies use this instinct constantly. Luxury brand use psychology in the completely different ways. Expensive products often create the illusion of higher quality and status. Sometimes people are buying the product itself, they are buying the feelings attached to it. A luxury watch may tell time just like a cheap watch, but psychologically, it represents success, power, and identity. The gaming industry has also mastered manipulation techniques. Daily rewards, looks boxes, and achievement systems are all designed to keep players returning every day. Games create small goals and rewards that make the brain feel productive and excited. But perhaps the most dangerous psychological tricks is personalization. Modern algorithm feed people content they already agree with. Over time, this creates echo chambers where people only see information that support their beliefs. This can shape opinion, emotions, and even political views without people realizing it. The scary truth is that most manipulation today feels normal because it's everywhere. People grow up surrounded by its notification, its recommendation, targeted contents. It become part of everyday life. But does this mean companies are evil? Not necessarily. Business want profit, and psychology is one of the most effective way to increase engagement and sales. The real problem beings when people loses awareness and control. Awareness changes everything. Once you understand these tricks, you being seeing them everywhere, you notice why apps are addictive, you recognize emotional marketing, you pause before impulsive purchases, you become more conscious of how your mind is being influenced. One of the best way to regain One of the best way to regain control is slowing down decisions. Companies want fast, emotional, like, but when you pause and think logically, psychologically trick lose power. Asking simple questions like, do I really need this, and why I am clicking this, can completely change your behavior. Other powerful step is reducing digital overloaded. Constant notification keep the brain distracted and anxious. Turning off unnecessary notification can dramatically improve focus on mental clarity. People should also learn to protect their attentions. Attention is life. Whatever controls your attention slowly shapes your future. When your attention is constantly stolen by algorithm, ads, and distraction, your goals and productivity suffer. The modern world is full of invisible battles happening inside the human's mind. Companies fight for clicks, watch time, money, and influence, and psychology is their most powerful weapons. But now you know the truth. The next time you pick up your phone, enter a store, a scroll through social media, ask yourself one question: are you making the choice, or is someone else making it for you? I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment it, share it, and support me. Your support is very important for me. If you support me, I make more videos for you. Thank you.